Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be putting this glass screen protector on an 8X Max. I've tried quite a few. The original one that comes with the phone is not too bad, but this particular one, it seems to be probably the better one that I've had. So we're going to have a look around them. So I've had a quick look inside it already, but you're basically supposed to be 9H surface hardness, delicate touch, perfect adhesion, oleophobic coating, which was important for me, hold transparently and prevent screen burst. A little bit more information on the back. In the actual packet, you get these screen protector accessories. And as you can probably tell, we've got two screen protectors. They've got the black board around them. That's part of the reason why I've got these particular ones, because the screen does curve on the edges a little bit, so frames the camera nicely all around the branding, so you can see the honour label still. So we'll give it a go. I think it feels like glass. I know some screen protectors can be plastic, but even though they advertise them as glass, but this one does feel like glass. So, right, give it a go. So inside the accessories pack, you've got your dust removal sticker. It's a fair size one, but I suppose it's a big screen. You've got your little cloth, not quite a microfiber cloth, but not a little bad one, and your alcohol prep pad. So I'm going to clean the screen to start with. And we're going to have a go at this on camera. Hopefully this works out. Right, first of all, I'm going to get the alcohol prep pad. Considering the size of the dust removal sticker, this is quite a small pad. So I have obviously been using this phone for quite a long time, so it's going to need a really good clean this. So hopefully we can do this without any air bubbles. It's bad enough for the smaller screen, but something this size. Turn it over, use the other side. Right, I think I've got it all. Give it a good dry off. I'm giving this a really good going over. I'll try and get this first time if I can. Right. Let's grab me a dust removal sticker. See how that comes off. Sorry about that, to pause the video. This is a bit of a mission to try and get off. But here we go. Okay, this is not a bad sticker, this one, actually. Let's hope this goes okay. Make sure I give it a good going over. Do this before any dust gets on it. Now, let's be honest, the backing I thought would be a bit better than that, but right. Tell you what, I'm not going to be able to do this behind the camera, so I'm going to pause the video quickly and come back to you. Right, I've got it fitted on. It went on quite well actually. It's a good fitment. As you can see around the speaker, it's nicely cut out all around the camera, all around the edges. It's set back from the edges a little bit, so you should be able to get in a case on that. It's got a good, you don't really feel the edge on it. The only thing is with it, I thought it was a full cover, full stick down screen protector, but this one's, I think it's just around the edges on this one. So it remains to be seen how well it does. Touch response from it is so far is pretty good. So let me see if I can try and get this to unlock. Tried unlocking it too many times. As you can see, all around the screen the colours are still good. Touch response straight away. I don't have any issues with that at all. It's just the slightest touch and it goes. So touch response is very good. I've got a case which I'll stick on for you. Let's just give it a bit of a clean up because it's a clear case, this one. So, and just make sure it all fits nicely. So this particular one, not the most protective of cases, but as you can see there's plenty of a gap around it. I think if you had more protective cases for screen protector, probably would be okay. So, and if you're interested in this case, it's quite a good one actually. You get them in different colours. I've got this one off Amazon. All the cutouts are really nice. But yeah, so just in case you want to know, the actual, that's the screen protector. I've got it off Amazon, a KuGi one. As I say, you get them in different colours, so check it out. I'll see if I can pop a link down in the description if I remember. But so that is the as you can see, the Huawei on a, I'm assuming that's the company that makes it. Let me see if I can get it off Amazon quickly. So yeah, so that's the screen protector. It's made by Huuh, $7.99. So it's quite inexpensive. As you can see, there are different colours, I think. We've got white, we've got black, and transparent. So I went with a black border, less chance of ghosting around the edges or anything like that. So that's it for now. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you then. Bye.